Nagosogeire omwancho morigere begeta seniki Ndizi TV wairire biachiaragire Chinsa Ikomi chia bono mogoroba chinga kinainde tokumira na semberi tunyara ko batokumanyania mange nganyare ko bagagwate kaimena isiko yorogongorwa gusikuru bagakietego ikera chinga kibune chiko kwaligania senchira bene onyare ko bagogosanga amwana inche nganyare ko bagagwate kairite ne ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi ngwera nande asekero getalige tambe eli tunyare ko batokumanyania twensi asobwamo. Bienvenido que kimo mwancho morigereria inyora boigo Amayia na boko ya bwatia gwetera ase enchera ya mitandao litangani pigwetera ase nsema ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo gwetera YouTube Ndizi TV News. Karibu sana onyara ko bago gwesemya nganyare ko baga gwate katogo chaka kurwase county ya Kisii anene ase ebyombe abikoragwa amono botenenali bwe county ya Kisii na boigo abarayi bechichiro nigo banyare ko bago chamo kubwatera na maneke ombekelie kiane amelinde banyare ko bakwenekia ngabaenanire amaigerio agochia ase abamenyi be county ya Kisii lindego se kwenekia chinjera echo abananchi abanyate ko bakwenekia ngabanyara ko bakolenda ebinto biria bito etanaine amaigerio nigo anyara ko bagako kolekana anene ase amagacho ya ATC imeyomochie obosongo.
Leo tuko na warsha kubwa hapa ambayo itaendelea kwa siku 4 na leo tumeanza na makundi mbalimbali. Kwanza tukianzia zile ofisi mbalimbali za county, tukianzia na manispaa ya county, wale ambao wanashughulikia maneno ya uchafu. Tuko pia na maofisa wa serikali ambao wanawezesha kuwa mazingira hayachafuliwi. Vile vile tuko na vikundi mbalimbali vinavyojihusisha na maneno ya taka almaarufu uchafu ambao wanashughulikia hayo maneno. Kitu ya kwanza kuongelea ni kwamba uchafu imekuwa ni donda sugu. Sio Kisii County peke yake, lakini watu kama wale wanaomiliki manyumba, tutakuwa na vikundi vya kina mama, tutakuwa na vikundi vya kijamii almaarufu CBOs, tutakuwa hata na wale ambao wanasimamia manyumba wanaitwa caretakers. Wote wataitwa ili kujifundisha jinsi ya kukabiliana na hili donda sugu la uchafu.
Gotiga noroboti urukurwase county ya Kisii ase abasake baito bamangana bagene tokoba gwake kambi ase nsemeyo ya ATC konekia buna oroboti uri watochira senchire boikeranu ensaya mne Chinsa isatochia bona botokotogo skamotwe obomobwa gose European Union nigobanyare ko aboko bwaterana amone serikali ya Kenya likoenekia buna uchumi imense ya Kenya nyalire koba gekoba sekerengo kelia gebwataine kao kwana ya omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto anene ase nyumba yobora ya State House nigatebirenga okobwaterana oko ningo chikoba koenekia buna anene serikali ya Kenya kwanza yanyare koba gegoikirania amagani alienya tokoba kulira chira katika yabo koenekia anene buna upomobo bwa European Union banyare ko bakwena neni beisaine elinde abakenya banyare ko bakwegendereria sobogima bwabo bwakira lituko.
An engagement with the President of the EU Commission, I did commit that the government of Kenya will do its part to make sure that we conclude this agreement before June this year. And I want to thank the two chief negotiators for being good people at taking instructions. When I am therefore greatly pleased that this has been accomplished, and I want to thank the EU Director Trade for Africa and Kenya's Principal Secretary and their technical teams. I know behind them have been many people who have put this agreement together. Today's milestone also represents a giant step forward for the East African community partners, because as my good friend has said, this agreement just sets the stage for finally bringing the East African community partner states into the agreement And I have also issued instructions to Moses that, and I want to commit to our EU friends, that by you signing this agreement with Kenya, we also commit that we will work with our East African partner states, we will work with the 28 African states that are members of the tripartite free trade agreement so that we can bring them on board this agreement subsequently. And hopefully we can also take this all the way to the Africa Continental Free Trade Area so that we can build a bigger market, build a bigger consensus, and be able to do more with the populations that exist between Europe.
Chingaki eche chionere omokonyi bomorai bwense rigati gashawa okwana ase omoyega oyo imeye anene enyomba yoborai ya State House niganyale kobaga kumwegerera omorai bwense Dr. William Ruto ase gashagwa tebire inga emeroberio William Ruto nyale kobaga kobeka bene gochia saba Kenya neyo konekia buna nyale kobage kogorra uchumi nyale kobaga gosarika se miaka ya umaiga nigo boigo rigati gashagwa nyara kobaga korrekana boigo kumwegerera omorai bwense kubwatekana nechitaro chiabena nyarekobaga kobeka gochia iskoyense ase atebere nigo cha nyarekoba chikoreta amatunda isaine ikwene kiabuna uchumi ya Kenya nyarekobage kogendra nigo boigo abagikeria anene abarai bali bakoyamereria serikali ase chingwana chebwangoiga banyarekoba kobeka bene bune serikali nigo nyarekoba gotumika enibo enyinge gochia ase chitaro chechise chesko.
Your Excellency, as you took up the reins of this country, you found the economy in a quagmire. And you have taken a two-phased approach. One is to harness revenue collection locally. Number two is to reach out to our international friends and development partners to harness resources for this country's development. We want to encourage you to continue traveling to each and every country in the world and bring resources for the development of this country. And Your Excellency, I don't understand these people sometimes. They complain that you are traveling too much. At the same time, they complain that I'm not traveling. I don't know which is which. Because I saw them complaining that since you leave me around to mind the house, they say that you have stopped me from traveling and assigned me what they call useless duties. On the same page, they are complaining that you have traveled too much. I don't know what is it that they want to do. Your Excellency, we want to encourage you that you must continue with bilateral and multilateral diplomacy for the benefit of this country as you continue to locally harness resources to restore the economy of this country to where President Mwai Kibaki left us.
Tokoska motwe goika ase wizara ya obochenu anene kubwatirana amone serikali enene nigo yanyale ko bagigo chaka anene obotuki bwabene elikoenekia ekikeirere obotumeki obubebwa bisiene cha Ime County ya Meru na boigo Ime County ya Nairobi gago kwana asiritukolia lero omwaziri bwobochenu Susan na kuminja nigatebire wizara ya chakire obotuki bwo elinde kubaleta abo bisabwa nyale ko bakubwatirana amone chinyagitari chiabene eligotumeka enibo bobe ase kiganja kelia kya NHIF.
Address questions should they be. So my attention has been drawn to the news story aired by NTV on the night of Sunday 18th June 2023 that was titled "We Steal and God Heals." And this was regarding the embezzlement of NHIF funds. According to the news story, a number of private facilities in Meru and Nairobi counties are alleged to be working with unscrupulous NHIF staff and have formed a syndicate to rob unsuspecting citizens and the government of the healthcare funds. In an elaborate scheme, the facility then proceeded to carry out unnecessary procedures on the patients and later used the various procedures as avenues of fleecing patients of their NHIF benefits. I wish to express my deepest disappointment and contestation at the staff at my ministry who may be part of this callous syndicate. I have had a meeting this morning with the chair of NHIF board and instructed him that they commence investigations.
School for the hearing impaired, na ndipo tumewasili hapa. Tunataka tuone ni vipi mambo yanavyoendelezwa hapa. Tayari tumeweza kukutana na mwalimu mkuu Bwana Tarus na naibu wake wanaofanya kazi nzuri sana, na kiini cha haya yote ni kwamba tuna mswada mbele yetu kule katika bunge la Seneti kuhusu masomo ya wanafunzi wanaoishi kwa ulemavu, na ndio sababu basi tukaamua tukija hapa labda tutaweza kuchangia vyema zaidi katika ule mswada ili kwamba uwe ni wa manufaa hasa kwa watoto ambao wako katika shule zetu na wanaoishi na ulemavu, na ambao kama ulivyosema ni muhimu kwamba wapatiwe ufadhili.
Togoska mote wikira ime county ya Kajiado na somo chiolo tok ase abo bisa usabateneni bana banyareko baba gweso kina kubwato ko roboti rwa bene wikira abana bali banyareko baba gotiga kogendera amone chisemi kubatikana ne mechando ayi bakonyora anene ase chinga chiabo kubatikana roboti kunu batebire anene abana bange banyareko baba gotiga chisemi nigo bagendreko bagweso anania no kolisia gosokolenda chitugo engana ya ireire anene amagendero imenseme yokwirana magega.
Iko watoto najua kwa hili eneo la Kajiado South bado hawajaenda shule. Vijana kazi yao imekuwa ni kuenda machungani.
Sasa watoto wengi hawako shule, wametoroka, wanaenda kuchunga, na ni wa darasa la 3, wa darasa la 4, wanaenda kuwa wachungaji. Mchungaji, kuna mtoto wa miaka 10 ambaye atakuwa mchungaji?
Hakikisha kwamba chifu mwenye yuko karibu na wewe, tuambie kama mtoto fulani hayuko shuleni, yuko kapteni, ama mtoto fulani hayuko shuleni anafanya kibega kwenye shamba la mtu hapa Lengatenkima. Then tubebe mwenye shamba na baba mtoto, ama anachunga ng'ombe ameenda Savo. Si kama mtu anachunga ng'ombe, anachunga mifugo yake, si ni kweli? Napiga mnada, mtoto anawekwa boarding.
Katika takwimu inasema sisi ndio tuko karibu kuongoza hii maneno ya kukeketa watoto ili eneo la Kajiado South. Hii ni kitu kingine ningependa kusema. Siku za mwizi ni 40. Wewe fanya hii kitu, lakini Mungu tu ako na tutaweza. Tukipata ujumbe ni lazima kuchukulia hatua ya kisheria. Na pia nyinyi watoto ningependa munisikie. Na hii naongelesha kwanza watoto wasichana. Ukiona kwenyu iko wazee wameanza kukuja, unasikia sukari imeretwa.
Omwancho mulire begeta seni kia Ndizi TV ingatia yanda mange togenda tokabato kwariganile kuruase mese ito ya Amayia Chinsa Ikomi nyorabo igo ensa eya mone Chinsa isato chabono botukongomera na mulenere Vincento Nyanja na bogeverino sero ase manye Jumatatu ase muranyare koba mugosanga amana barabu aya amana yanda mange togenda tokabato kubariganile kurugeta seni kia Ndizi TV nakuganeirie oboligererio bya bwemero beligendeta kobage kubwati ulinyara kobago kwenekia buna chibichamo neliogiria gochera senjire bwikiraniga koro kwa bigari nyancha meriterani ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi nakoganeirie oboligererio bya